Documentation and records in pharmaceutical industry. Presented by Mariam Nabil, Monica Maher, Yasmin Mohammed.
Documentation can be defined as an essential part of the quality assurance system, which provides the procedures of the detailed information regarding the process of manufacturing to the personnel concerned with the manufacturing. Documents can be two types, hard copy and soft copy. Who can participate in creating documents? The answer is managers, team leaders, staff doing the work, and consultants may assist. Purpose of documentation: to define the specification and procedures for all materials and methods of manufacture and control, to ensure that all personnel concerned with manufacture to know what to do and when to do it, to prevent the risk of error. To ensure that authorized persons have all the information necessary to decide whether or not to release a batch of a drug for sale. And finally, to trace the history of any product. Documentation characteristics. Documentation should be clear, conscious, and logical. Include detailed description for various operations, written in an easy way to be read from the personnel. Should be reviewed every period to ensure that these procedures are up to date. Document should include company name, purpose and title, identification number, date of authorization, signature, page number, and reference.
Types of documentation. Specifications. List out the active and inactive starting materials, intermediate, bulk and finished pharmaceutical products in terms of their physical, chemical, and biological characteristics. The quality control personnel will compare their test results to these specifications. Procedures and test methods. Written and approved documents which provide detailed instructions for performing testing, operating the instrument, and other production-related tasks. Records. Documents stating results achieved and/or providing evidence of activities performed. The medium may be paper, electronic, optical, photographic, or a combination. Master documents include master formula record, side master file, calibration master plan, batch processing and packaging records. This ensures the uniformity from batch to batch. Lists. It contains the full catalog. Example, list of equipments.
Records. Records should provide a history of each batch of product. It must be maintained for each and every step of the manufacturing process. Examples on record: raw materials record, master production record, equipment training and use record, laboratory control record, and personnel and training record. 1. Records of raw materials. It should include the manufacturer, identity, and quantity of each material. By this record, it is easy to trace the use of these materials. 2. Master production record, related to all manufacturing procedures for each product and batch size to be manufactured. It is important to ensure uniformity from batch to batch and must be prepared, signed, and dated by one person from quality unit and reviewed by a second person. 3. Equipment cleaning and use record. They are records of major equipment use, cleaning, sanitation, sterilization, and maintenance. It should show the date, time, product and batch number, and the person who performed the cleaning and maintenance process. 5. Laboratory control record. It should include complete data from all tests conducted to ensure compliance with established specifications and standards, including examinations and assays. 6. Personnel and training control. Include information about personnel and training. Conclusion. Documentation is an important part of good manufacturing practice, which have different types. Records is one of these types, which provides history of each batch. Documentation and records are important to improve performance in the industry, decrease the cost, decrease any errors, trace the history of any materials, products, or batch.